Hello everyone, did you know that the phase of the communication journey has come a long way? First, humans in the Stone Age begin to communicate by sign or signal. They can send signal through some medium like fire, drum and also bell. Later, humans begin to communicate through cave painting. This type of parietal art is found on cave walls and ceilings. After that, another form of communication commonly used by humans is the messenger pigeon, where the pigeon will be attached to the message before it flies to the receiver. Then the postcard service came, where commercially cards were invented in 1861 by John Carleton of Philadelphia. After that, the telephone were created that allow people to communicate long distance using electrical device. Alexander Graham Bell was developed the first prototype of the electric telephone on 1867. Due to the development of this communication, it also leads to the emergence of wireless telephone. As we can see the design of this telephone, it has a large design and has a long antenna. But do such long antenna help in wireless communication? And what about its characteristic? Does this telephone disturb user? As we know, the frequency is really low, but the interaction that will occur during communication is very high. In the next generation, we can see telephone design that look very sophisticated, where the smartphone was introduced. It is very different from the phones we know before, especially in terms of its design. So, what is the difference from the previous phone? The difference we can see in terms of design, where the old phone has long and visible antenna, while on a smartphone, the antenna is short and not visible. For more understand, let me explain what is meant by microwave used in this smartphone. So, do you know what is microwave? A microwave is a communication system that uses a beam of radio wave in the microwave frequency range to transmit video, audio or data between two locations, which can be from just a few feet or meters to several miles or kilometers apart. Then, on this diagram, it shows a comparison of frequency for microwave and also others. If you look at the diagram, the frequency range for microwave is 300 MHz to 300 GHz. Alright, now we will go to the calculation of wavelength. To calculate wavelength, there is one of formula that can be used, that is lambda equal to C over F, where lambda represents wavelength, C represents speed of light and F is frequency. As an example, calculate the wavelength value from Polytechnic Ibrahim Sultan to Kuala Lumpur, where the frequency used is 1 GHz. Therefore, enter the frequency value into the formula lambda equals C over F. Then, the wavelength value obtained is 0.3 meter. Next, to find out the length of the antenna used, the wavelength value needs to be divided by 2. Therefore, 0.3 meter is divided by 2 and the length of the antenna obtained is 0.15 meter. So, what can be summarized is, the higher the frequency value used, the shorter the antenna design used. At the end of this video, I will list some advantages of using microwave in communication system today. First, it supports larger bandwidth and therefore more information is transmitted. In addition, a higher data rate is transmitted due to more bandwidth. And lastly, microwave provides an effective reflection area in radar system. Therefore, microwaves are very useful as a communication system in the current era. So, I think that's all I can share about microwave in this video. Thank you for watching.